In this video I would like to talk about how to clone an existing Metatrader 4 system, including all the automated stuff. So let's see how we can do that. To get started, you need a running system like I have this one. And this system is running on a Windows machine. Usually when you click on Open Data folder, you will see that you have an installation and that the data for the system is located in the user folder in Windows, but it's possible to run a portable version. This is a different Windows 10 machine. Here we have an USB stick. On the USB stick I have the portable version. It contains all these directories, and now I can copy the portable version and paste it anywhere in the file system. Here is all the stuff that I need, and when I double click on Terminal.exe, we should see that the Metatrader is started in the background, and here it is. Actually, this kind of portable version is the one that I have copied from my current Linux installation. I'm running it on Wine and Play on Linux, but I think it should be possible to do it on a Windows machine when you just create a folder and copy the content for these folders into that folder. And that includes the experts folder, where I have my pre-configured system and the expert advisor for the MyFX book status updates. You need to include the library folder, and you need to provide your account settings because those are not copied. So this is the original account I'm using. A RoboForex Pro Cent account, 5281754. So let's pick the right server, 5281754. I need to provide my password and save it. Click on Finish, and now I'm connected. And it looks like I'm able to do a strategy test with my pre-configured system here. So that's working as expected. And in this little video you have learned how to clone an existing system and create a portable version for a different Windows PC. If you have any questions or suggestions about this setup, please let me know.